Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing both devices. Charge the Edge, power it on, and make sure your phone has Bluetooth and location enabled. Open Garmin Connect, sign in, and accept requested permissions so the app can find the Edge. On the Edge, go to Settings Phone, Pair Phone, and leave it on the pairing screen. Once done, keep both screens unlocked and within a few feet so the initial discovery completes without interference. When the Edge appears in Garmin Connect Tap to Pair, you'll see a numeric code. Confirm that same code on the device and on your phone to authorize the link. Make sure you allow notifications and background data so syncs run automatically. After pairing, accept any firmware updates the app prompts. Updates fix GPS and sensor compatibility. If your unit supports Wi-Fi, add your network now to speed map and software downloads. Finalize by customizing data fields, pairing cadence and power sensors, and downloading maps or routes. Take a brief test ride to verify GPS lock, heart rate and cadence readings, and automatic uploads. If the Edge won't sync or loses sensors, first restart the Edge and your phone, toggle Bluetooth, and clear Garmin Connect cache. Repair sensors. As a last resort, perform a factory reset on the Edge, rerun the pairing steps, and then restore your settings and profiles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.